you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today we are going to create this tropical eye makeup that I have on. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is start off on my right side, since I already have my left side done. So go ahead and grab whatever you have with you so we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is use my NYX Ultimate Palette, and I'm going to be using this peach color right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend this on my crease. Now the second step, I'm going to be using this rust color right here, and I will apply this and also crease it out. And I'm gonna use my mini city palette, and I'm gonna be using this gold shade, and I will insert that in the corner of the eye drop. Now we'll start off by grabbing some of these white shade, and I will apply these in my lid. Next, I'm gonna go back with my NYX palette, and I'm gonna be using this lime color. And I'm gonna press it in my eyelid. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this black color, and this is from the City Mini palette as well. Now I'll go back with the brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and softly blend this in the crease. Now I'm gonna go back with the mini palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade and place it in the upper brown bow. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Epic ink liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my waterline. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Lash Essential. And I'm gonna go back and use this brown color right here, and we're gonna apply this to underneath the line, underneath the eyelid, whatever. So I will apply this brown shade in the lower lash. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my other false eyelash, and then I'll see you in a bit. All right, you guys, so this is the complete look, and the lashes that I'm wearing are the ones that I have bought yesterday, and this is like my new favorites. So I really do hope you enjoy these. A fun look that I created with you guys. Hope you like it so much like I did. Like, I really enjoy these. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.